Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will to learn how to sketch simple part like this, how to convert from sketch to solid part. Okay, get started. Open the SolidWorks like this. We want to begin from front plane. So right click on front plane and click sketch like this. And we start from here. We make two circle. Select circle, draw it like this. Then set the dimension. First circle have radius 24, so the diameter is 48, like this. Then the second circle in here have the radius 36, so the diameter is 72, like this. Just simple. Then select the line, draw it from this circle. Make sure this line and from this point on the part is make horizontal, or make horizontal like this, and this one make horizontal. Okay. Then set the distance for this line to this point. This point and this point, we can see in here is 60. So we can just input in 60 millimeter for distance, like this. So we just to make a half of part because we want to use the mirror entities after this. Then we can to select the center line like this, draw to the top. Then we can set the dimension in here. The center of the circle and this circle, this hole and this hole is 88. So input the height of the center line is 88, like this. Just click OK. Okay, you just make. Then we can to line in here. Draw it like this and like this. Ensure this line is make horizontal like this, and set the depth or thickness. This part is 12, so the height is this line is 12 millimeter, like this. Then we came to mirror entities. This line, this circle, this line, and this line. Mirror about is center line, like this. Just click OK. After that, we can to trim entities for this line, this line, this line, and this line, like this. It's a simple to make part like this in the bottom, like this. But in here, in after we want to make 3-point arc here. But we want to make circle again in here. For make hole in here, make two circle this. First set the dimension of circle in the outer have radius 20, so the diameter is 40 millimeter, like this. Then for the circle of hole have diameter 24, just input 24 like this. Just click OK. Okay, it's simple like this. Then after that, make line like this, draw for this point through this circle, and ensure this line and this circle click make tangent like this, because in here start from this point. Okay. Then we can to mirror this line to be right and select the mirror entities. Mirror about, we can select or choose center line, this line. Just click OK. Okay. After we sketch like this, just import to the export to solid part. Click extrude boss like this. Convert to solid part. Okay. First, for select contour, we select the bottom in here. Have thickness of depth in here, we can see have radius 30, so the diameter is 60. So in here you have depth or length 60 millimeter from the bottom in here, 60 millimeter. Just click OK because in here our radius 30. Then we can see again sketch 1 like this and click extrude boss again. Select this circle or this sketch to make cylinder have a thickness in like this. The thickness is 34. Okay, just click OK, 34 like this. Then select click sketch 1 again and click extrude boss. We can to select this sketch to make like a rib. The thickness is 12, so in here we can input it 12 millimeter. Just click OK. It is simple like this. So we want to make a sketch like this. So click the top plane and right click and click sketch like this, and click 3-point arc like this. Draw like this and set the radius is 30. So input 30 millimeter and convert entities for this edge. Just click OK. After that, click feature and extrude boss again. The thickness is 12 millimeter. OK. Direction is blind. Just click OK. Select this face, right click and click sketch. Make a circle in here and ensure the circle and click this edge. Make concentric. So the center for this circle and this 3-point arc is same for the center. This edge, okay, from this edge. Okay, two holes have diameter 24. So the diameter in here 24 and click OK. Then make a hole, click extrude cut in here. Direction is through all, just click OK. We can to mirror part extrude boss and extrude cut to right. Use features mirror, click and feature to mirror, click extrude cut 1 and boss extrude 4 like this. For mirror face or plane, we can click right plane. Okay, right plane. Okay, just click OK. So automatically mirror to this another side part like this. Then in here for the last we can to make a rib like this. So this is simple. Click the feature and click reference geometry. Click plane. We want to make a plane again. First reference. We want to make a new plane in here. First reference. Click the top plane. And here for the distance in here, the height is 88. So just input in here 88. Just click OK. And right click from the new plane in here and click sketch. Draw a corner rectangle like this to this edge and ensure this point of the center of for rectangle and this point to this part, center of part is make vertical like this. Then set the dimension for the thickness. The thickness in here we want to make the same with the rib in here is 12. So input 12 millimeter like this. Click OK. After we make sketch like this, we want to go to feature and click curve and click split line. For type of split, click in the middle projection, and for in here we can do checklist single direction. Select this face and this face. Okay, and just click OK. And automatically in here we have the two sketch new for the split line for this sketch one. Then we can to make a rib. We can hide with loft boss. In here profile, click this sketch or this face and click this face and automatically make a rib. Just click OK. Okay, we want to hide sketch 1 in here like this. Okay, sketch 1 like this. Hide. Okay, we want to make this part more interesting. We can to change the color. Select the all feature like this. Maybe is red, dark red like this. Just click OK and click again for face the whole. You can click the white color, just like this. Just click OK and done. We just to make a simple part from SolidWorks. I hope this helped you for learning SolidWorks. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. Here's a simple part like this, appropriate for this drawing. Then don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in this channel. Thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial.